In this video, we are going to discuss one of the interview questions. Here is the question. Swap the numbers using bitwise XOR operator. So how we can perform that? We have generally two methods. That is using one is temporary variable using the temporary variable, and another is a is equals to without using temporary. That is a is equals to a plus b, and the next step is b is equals to a minus b, and the next step is a is equals to a minus b. With these three steps, we can swap the numbers. And the second method is what we are going to discuss today, using the XOR operator. Here we go. Given a is equals to 5, b is equals to 10, and the bitwise notations of 5 are 101 and 10 are 1010. Applying the bitwise operator between them, what is the result? A is equals to a XOR b. So what is the result? 0101, which is 5, and 1010, which is 10. Applying the bitwise XOR between them, the result is 1111. So when we are getting the 1, if two values are opposite to each other, then we are getting 1. So the result is 15. Now what is the next step? B is equals to A XOR B. So what it will return? 15 XOR B. B is 10. So 15 XOR 10 means 111, 1010. So the result is 1010. The result is 5. And next, B is equals to A XOR B. So what is the A? 15. What is the B? 5. So 15 XOR 5. 1111, and the 5 is 0101. So what is the result? It is a 0101. So the result is 10. So this is how we swap. So what are the steps required to swap the numbers using bitwise operator? A is equals to A XOR B. And the next step, B is equals to A XOR B. And the next step, A is equals to A XOR B. This is very simple, right? So now let's start the coding. Int A is equals to 5, B is equals to 10. So how we can swap? A is equals to A XOR B. And next line, B is equals to A XOR B. And next line, A is equals to A XOR B. Let's print them. System.out.println. So what it is returning? A is equals to 10, B is equals to 5. Initially we are having A is equals to 5, B is equals to 10. So the program is working fine. With these three statements, we can perform the swap of two numbers using bitwise XOR operator. And the sequence is very important. If we are storing A XOR B in B, that is B is equals to A XOR B, and the next update statement is A is equals to A XOR B, and then B is equals to A XOR B. So the sequence is very important.